Here we discuss some of the benefits of Tulsi or holy basil taken in different forms during cough and cold. Decongestant action. Extracts of Tulsi may help keep the bronchial airway passages uncongested and clear. Reduce phlegm. Tulsi has positive actions on respiratory system. It helps to effectively liquefy the phlegm. It may also help reduce cough caused due to allergic bronchitis, asthma, and eosinophilic lung disease. Soothes throat. Boiled water with tulsi leaves impart a soothing effect to patients with a sore throat. Tulsi leaves act as an adaptogen. An adaptogen is a substance that helps counteract the effects of stress in the body. Treats minor throat infection. Inhaling the steam of tulsi leaves and hot water can help relieve minor throat infections in children. It is due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Helps to improve immunity. For better immunity, consumption of tulsi leaves on an empty stomach is good. Treats fever. The juice extracted from tulsi leaves is usually effective in bringing down high fever. Thanks for watching.